Mm-hmm.
We got power lines right there. Oh, wow, look at that tree over there. That really broke.
Yeah, it's flipping everywhere. I see these branches falling out. Oh, that branch fell right there too.
Ooh, oh, shower.
This is insane. Crazy.
And then they just break. But the wind's blowing this way and that way, so they're gonna fall that way.
Stop there.
Stand for me. Come on, walk. 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 Walk.
Greedy. You literally just said that you wasn't sleeping.
Hey.
Stop lying.
Oh,
You-
baby, what you doing?
No, you wasn't. Girl, you're fake as hell.
I'm sleeping.
No, you're not.
Your mother, you're happy. Your video was in 1,000 days of 4th of July.
Oh, we are trying to survive a storm. And yeah, it's hot. No lights. No TV.
No power, no TV, no nothing, no food.
We just bought
And
groceries.
we've been like this since 5 a.m. We've been up since 5. We can't sleep. The wind is rocking the house from side to side. Baby, we from the south, but let me tell you something. I don't like this. Okay. It sounds like a hurricane outside, and it only supposed to be a tropical storm. I'm scared, y'all. You not scared?
I'm scared.
Yes or no?
I'm scared. This is from the hurricane. Aftermath of the hurricane.
This is crazy.
Texas, y'all.
Oh, that one fell out. Oh my God.
Shit. Texas is crazy. The lights is out. Babe, we just, what's going on? No, I'm just saying, what's going on here?
Oh, like you wouldn't even believe all this.
Oh no.
Hurricane Beryl over.
You're doing too much, baby. What? Hurricane Katrina. You wasn't even born.
I was born then.
Oh shit. You wasn't born for her. Oh.
Ooh, they get bust down.
Look at that one.
Ooh, crumbling.
Can we like do something with the windows or something? Cause it's like it's keeping. There we go. Like keep it on. Look at them. Y'all smoking? I must be. Can't believe this is what's going No lights are working. Signs crooked. Gates busted. You got what?
Coins.
That's so sad. Not cool.
Hey, so she was that right here?
We riding around looking at the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Yes, that's his name.
Everybody's getting down.
And it looks like everybody's gate is down. Trees are all over the place. You know what I'm saying? We just, damn, look at that gate. Next to you. Not fidgeting.
Look at that gate.
Wow. Go over there and see. I see cars in the parking lot. Oh, well, the pump look like it's out, though. So I don't know why people in the parking lot. They are not like this. They not like this. We trying to find a gas station, y'all, so that we can get some supplies, but it's no luck on the gas station being open, so. Oh my God, the horses is out. What the fuck? The gate broke. Damn, you be going to that fast, okay?
It smells like a fucking forest.
Look at this tree finna fall.
Look how they drive.
Look at the signs is down. Swerve right. I don't know. No power in that motherfucker. You gonna find one, babe? Oh shit!
Look at that porta potty.
Oh, damn! That whole flew.
Open that power.
It looked like something going on because people was at Kroger, and they going in that bitch too. Oh damn! She kept going. It's her cops. Do it. D. She got. You happy? Oh, she happy. She found a store, y'all. Cash only. A cash only store. The fact that there's no stores open, and if it is a store that's open, you have to use cash only because no lights over here. Even though they had a street light on right here by the store, it's still all the lights out. So yeah, I'm about to go home and cook because we found a way to light the stove. So basically we have a gas stove, so all we need is like a long nose lighter, and we can light that motherfucker up and we can cook. So that's what we about to do right now.
Cachole.
Yes.
Cachole. Alright, well, you still want to run around?
I guess so, baby.
Stay here, baby.
Go back to the nigga. I'm hungry.
Just start cooking.
And we're about to head back to the house.
See what kind of damage has been done back here.
Probably a lot of damage has been done. It's not a lot of sturdy fences over there.
That's all you see now.
We got a gas stove, so we are cooking while the lights are out. The lights still aren't coming back on. It's a mess because I can't see shit. But we're cooking. Try to feed the family. Ain't got no power. What time is it? 8:28. We had power since 5 a.m. And we're still here without power. Still waiting for the power to come back on. gotta yell at this motherfucker. I command you, come back on power. Now, if the power would have came back on when I was saying that, y'all couldn't tell me that I didn't have powers. I would have been powerful. Like, I would have thought my powers was working. So, must not be working today. So, yeah. So, we still in the house. Our ice cream and frozen stuff melted. And, yeah. We just in here. No power. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. In the house. We already ate. Yeah, my plant died.
Hey y'all, I'm here.
So, you know, gotta get another one. What you mean you here? I'm showing you.
Hey y'all, I'm here. Just woke up for my
How's your
15th nap.
experience?
My 15th nap of the day. Light still hasn't made it back on yet. I mean, I'm not even really worried about the lights. I need the air.
15 nap is wild. Because we've been sleeping back to back because we ain't got nothing else to do.
My phone keep doing this.
Phone don't work, yeah.
3%. I went to sleep. It was on 15, not 3% out. I ain't even been using.
Mm-hmm.
It's ridiculous. All my apps was closed. Like, 7 point.
She nosy. Princess. Nosy little mama. Grandma. Day 2 without no power, without no food, without y'all.
I can't even see myself. It's so damn dark.
It is. That's what I said. Day 2 without no power. It's traffic everywhere. No food places. We came out here. No gas. They want you to drive 30, 40 minutes to get gas. It's like, dude, that shit way too far from our house. So right now it's hot, y'all. It's so hot. After the rain, it's hot, and we haven't really ate anything. And we cooked the food yesterday, but then that was all we had. So today we're like starving.
These power lines off.
Category 1, 2, whatever did this. It's crazy. They at the pool. Okay, can we go swimming? Cause it's hot. Oh, we need to go back over there, babe.
Oh, they come and get the trees now.
Oh, they come and get the trees.
They got the little tree thing.
The tree choppers. Oh, it's water right there.
Oh wait, that was the tree chopper.
Oh, it's flooded over there.
Let me go park my car.
We stuck, y'all. It's ridiculously insane, y'all. Why we want this? Can we winter it up right quick? Cause baby, I'm tired of the hurricanes. It's hurricane season.
See, they took these lights off yesterday. They was on, remember?
Yeah, they was on yesterday. We're not able to do a lot of things today. So, yeah. Y'all, I had to hunt my baby mama down to get a sandwich.
Your baby what?
My baby mama. To get a sandwich. Yeah, to get a sandwich. Y'all know this my nigga. Yeah, no, fuck all that. Fuck all that. We all in the damn car. I got a sandwich. This bitch phone died and shit.
This is insane.
Why you ain't charging that bit?
Right.
On there, son. Like it just
It
act,
said
like
SOS.
sometimes it rings, sometimes.
Oh
it
yeah,
don't.
cause mine got SOS as soon as I came over here. I said, "Damn, this works."
They ain't got no motherfucking service.
Ain't no service.
At least at my house,
These are my favorite. Oh my
I
god.
go all the way to 1960.
Them hoes.
I've been into new shit.
Bruh, come on now.
I that too.
Day 2. Day 2 without lights, right? And we driving and it's dark. They moved some trees, which is good. Some trees are out the way, not fully, but you know. And no lights are on. So yeah. Day 2. And it's 9:14. We all sleeping in the car.
This is ghetto.
It is ghetto.
I'm in my
This
own.
is just messed up because why do we have to sleep in the car?
I'm just zooming by.
Ain't slept and we in the damn car.
FEMA Red Cross, if you seeing this. We got a dog.
We got a dog. We in the garage sleeping. We checked it to make sure what's going on, baby.
The exhaust is out.
We shouldn't have to do this.
I know.
Send this to Trump and Joe Biden.
Joe Byron and them don't care.
And whoever fixes my solution, I'm voting for them.
Oh hell no. Cause Trump gonna be the first one to fix
Well,
it.
pass me that stimulus.
He ain't passing me no damn still. We slept in the car until 7. Now we back inside. We running out of gas.
When your dog lay on the floor, that's how you know they hot.
She don't even want to play. Slept in the car from 2 to fucking 7:30. I'm surprised it even held up that long, cause normally it be cutting off fast.
Why be came off for like a couple of minutes or so?
Yeah, the neck was fucked up. Is it me either?
Put it on the pillow by my neck. Then I turn around on my ankle. And I just can't lay back because then it's like.
I told you could lay back. I was fine.
No, like just laying back straight.
All the way straight, yeah.
Comfortable.
Try to cook as much food as we could. All the food that got spoiled, everything we had in here. Now we finna go to the gas station. Find some service. This is day 3. Like literally, this is Wednesday. Ew, shitty. I can hear all the generators out here.
Come on, Gator.
So we about to go find some service. Come on. Car dirty. We've been in and out of here sleeping. Granny, move, Granny. Y'all, we had to take a little break, y'all. Like, I think the last time I recorded, it was freaking Wednesday or Thursday. We went to my girl People house. We stayed there, and my boss, he was just trying to help us, and I think that's what I told y'all last. So he wound up giving me $200 to like help me, like commute to work or whatever, which I didn't need that. It's just the fact is, I'm grateful for it though. It's just the fact is I was sleeping in hot cars and stuff like that. And it's like he's basically like, oh, you're not the only one. So he told us we had to come to work. If we didn't come to work, we wasn't gonna have no job. So y'all know your girl ready to check over anything. So I wanted to come into work. I'm finally finna go home, y'all. And guess what? The lights and power is finally back on. Today is Tuesday. And it just came on like at 12. So it gave us estimated time for Friday. So we was gonna go to Dallas today to stay with my sister. Just to kind of get away from the stress that Houston has put up on us. But I'm just super happy. I feel sad because I did want to see my nephew, but I really rather go home and clean up my house. It smells, after we cleaned out the refrigerator and all that, it's still kind of hot, the hot smell and, you know, like that. So, yeah, Kyra called me, said the lights was back on. I'm so happy. She was supposed to be asleep like an hour ago.